Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view the blocked players on your PlayStation 5 account and then simply unblock them. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So on my PlayStation account, I have blocked many spam messengers and bots that have sent me messages. How would I go ahead and unblock someone if I made a mistake? Well, it's very easy to view who you've blocked over your PlayStation lifespan. Now, on the home screen, if we go up to the top and go to our profile, we can go to profile right here and select this. Then scroll on over to where it says privacy settings and select this. Then go all the way down to the bottom. Under communication and multiplayer, you can see players you are blocking. If we select this, we can see all the accounts that I have blocked. A lot of these are bot accounts, like Flirty Girl at 49. So I can easily unblock them by going to unblock. So let's unblock PS Girl 245742. Now that person's unblocked, and we can see a friend request they sent at one point in time. Let's go and view this. So it doesn't look like they have any games or anything else like that on their account. So let's go ahead and just decline that. So if you made a mistake and you accidentally block someone, it's very easy to unblock them and then view their profile right away. So if this quick little video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.